Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are good. Very good. So students, without wasting time, let's start our class. Today I am going to explain you the remaining sums of exercise 1.2. Clear? So the question number 4 of exercise 1.2 is, show that the modulus function f from R to R given by fx equals to modulus x is neither 1 nor onto. In my last lecture, I explained to you the greatest integer function. But here, what is given? The modulus function. What is a modulus function? So first of all, I will explain what is a modulus function. See, you know, the value of modulus always gives you the positive number, positive integer. For example, modulus minus 1 gives you positive 1, modulus minus 2 gives you positive 2, or modulus 2 is also 2. Clear? So, modulus always gives a positive integer. Understood? So, by using that point, we will solve this question. So, given function from R to R. R to R stands for real number to real number. Means its domain is real number and codomain is also real number. Defined by fx equals to mod of x. And beta modulus function is this. This can also be written as like this. Here it has two values, either positive x or negative x. Means modulus x. यहाँ पर हम x की वैल्यू पॉजिटिव भी ले सकते हैं और नेगेटिव भी ले सकते हैं. Understood? और positive x when if x is greater than equals to 0. When x is greater than equals to 0, or negative x if x is smaller than 0. Clear? So whenever modulus function will be there, you can define the modulus function in this manner also. कि modulus x equal to two values, x or minus x when if x is greater than equals to 0, or negative x when x is smaller than 0. Now we have to show this function is neither 1 or nor onto. How can we identify 1? No two elements of a domain having the same image in its codomain, then the function will be 1. Or we can say that every element of its domain has unique image in its codomain. Clear? But we know that here, clear that if I am taking f minus 1, so beta fx equal to modulus x, so f minus 1 equal to mod of minus 1, or mod of minus 1 always gives you positive 1. Am I right? Similarly, if I am taking f positive 1, then it is equal to modulus of positive 1, its result will also 1. Understood? So यहाँ क्या पता चल रहा है हमको कि the image of minus 1 is 1 and the image of 1 is also 1. That means there are two different elements, minus 1 and 1, which are having the same images. Are you getting this point? Here clear that minus 1 and 1 are two different elements of its domain, which are having same images in its codomain. Understood? So this function is not 1. So you have to write here that implies that f minus 1 equal to f1, means these two images are equal, but -1 is not equal to 1. -1 is not equal to 1. So here f -1 equal to f1 means images are equal but elements are not equal. Hence this function is not 1 1. Understood? So you have to write hence f is not 1 1. Clear? Understood? Okay. Now we will talk about onto function. What are onto functions? I told you that every element of its codomain must have its pre-images in its domain. कि कोडोमेन के सभी एलिमेंट्स की प्री इमेज होनी चाहिए किसके अंदर? डोमेन के अंदर. गॉट इट? नाउ वी हैव, हम जानते हैं, व्हाट वी नो, the modulus x is always gives the positive numbers. Understood? We have fx equal to modulus x always gives positive numbers. Clear? So beta fx is what? Fx is the images, means fx always belongs to कोडोमेन. क्लियर? तो यहां पर हमें ये पता चला कि कोडोमेन में जो वैल्यूज हैं वो सारी कैसी दिखाएगा? पॉजिटिव दिखाएगा. x की हर वैल्यू के लिए फंक्शन कैसी वैल्यू देगा? पॉजिटिव देगा. बट इसके कोडोमेन इज अ सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स. सो इन इट्स कोडोमेन देयर आर सम नेगेटिव वैल्यूज आल्सो बिकॉज़ रियल नंबर्स कैन बी नेगेटिव. बट फॉर नेगेटिव वैल्यूज there will not be any pre-image in its domain. Are you getting this or not? Because modulus x always gives the positive value. So see here, हमने यहाँ पर मैपिंग से देखते हैं. This is domain R and this is codomain R, and function is defined from R to R. In real number, some numbers are there: -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and here also we can take -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So see, if I am taking the image of -2, so what will be the image of -2? Mod of -2. Mod of -2 gives you +2. So the image of -2 is 2. The image of -1 gives you 1. The image of 0 will be 0. The image of 1 will be 1. Image of 2, 2. Image of 3, 3. Clear? According to the definition of onto function, every element of its domain must have its pre-images in its domain. So see, क्या -2 की कोई प्री इमेज डोमेन में है? नो, बिकॉज -2 इज नॉट ऑक्युपाइड. -1 इज ऑल्सो नॉट ऑक्युपाइड. मीन्स हम कह सकते हैं कि -2 एंड -1 आर नॉट रिलेटेड टू द डोमेन. दैट मीन्स -2 और -1 की तो कोई इमेज, कोई प्री इमेज है ही नहीं. और जबकि कंडीशन क्या है कि एवरी एलिमेंट मस्ट हैव द प्री इमेजेस इन इट्स डोमेन. सो हियर all the negative numbers do not have their pre-images in its domain. That's why this function is also not onto. Hope it is clear? Yes. So at last we have to write, we know that fx equal to modulus x always gives the positive numbers. So every negative or all negative, so all negative real numbers in codomain don't have their pre-images in its domain. Understood? So what we will have to write? We have fx equal to modulus x always gives positive numbers. So all negative real numbers in codomain don't have their pre-images in its domain. Hence, f is not onto. So it is proved that f is neither 1 1 or nor onto. Hope it is clear to everyone. Good. So students, pause your video and note it fast. Okay students, let's start next question. Question number 5 of this exercise. This question is, show that the signum function f such that r to r given by fx equals to 1 0 minus 1 1 if x is greater than equals to 0, for fx equal to 0 if x equal to 0, or fx equal to minus 1 if x is smaller than 0 is neither 1 1 nor onto. Again we will have to prove that the given function is neither 1 1 nor onto. But in question number 3 I explained you what are greatest integer functions. In question number 4 I explained you what is the modulus function. Now this is a new function. What is the signum function? But a signum function always defined as this means the value of this function, it has 3 values, 1 0 or minus 1. For every value of x it has only 3 values, 1 0 or minus 1. The value of this function will be 1 when x is greater than 0. For all x greater than 0, whether it is 1, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3, x equal to 4, x equal to 100. So for all these values, the value of this function will be 1. Or when x equal to 0, then the value of this function will be 0 only. Or for all x belongs to 0, x is smaller than 0. X is smaller than 0 means for all negative integers, for all negative real numbers, the value of this function is minus 1. Clear? So signum function always having 3 values. For all positive real numbers, the value of the function will be 1. For 0, the value of the function is 0. Or for all negative real numbers, the value of this function is minus 1. Clear? So we will have to show that this function is neither 1 1 nor onto. So how? Given function is from R to R and defined by fx equal to 3 values, 1 if x is greater than 0, 0 if x equal to 0, and minus 1 if x is smaller than 0. Clear? Now see, for this function the domain is real number and codomain is also real number. So see here, clear that it is very clear that for every positive real number the value of the function will remain same, that is 1. So if I am taking 1 is greater than 0. Clear? So for f1 the value of this will be 1. If I am taking f2, then again value will be 1. If I am taking f3, then again value is 1. Similarly f4 value is 1, f5 value is 1. Clear? Because 1 2 3 4 5 all are greater than 0. So for every x greater than 0, the value of function x will remain 1. So f1 is 1, f2 is 1, f3 is 1. So here clear that the image of 1 is 1, the image of 2 is 1, the image of 3 is 1. So there are 3 or 4 or 5, there are so many different elements like 1, 2, 3 which are having the same image in its codomain, that is 1. So if different elements are having the same image in its codomain, then the function is not 1 1. You know that now? Okay. So at last implies that here f1 equals to f2, but 1 is not equals to 2. Here f1 is equal to f2. We know that f1 and f2 are the images of 1 and 2. So here images are same, but 1 and 2 are not same. Means images are same, but elements are not same. That means this function is not 1 1. Clear? So here we will have to write hence f is not 1 1. Now we will have to check this function will be onto or not. For onto, what is the definition? All the elements of its codomain must have their pre-images in its domain. So see, the value of the function will remain 1 0 or -1. See, this is domain R and this is codomain R, and function is defined from R to R. In domain, all the real numbers are there. All the real numbers means -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and so on. Similarly in codomain, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Clear? Now according to this function, if x is greater than 0, then its image will be 1. For x is greater than 0. So x is greater than 0, 1, 2, 3. So इनकी images कहाँ जाएगी? 1 पर जाएगी. Means all three elements 1, 2, 3 having their image at 1. Clear? For x equal to 0, the image will be 0. So the image of 0 will be at 0. And for all x smaller than 0, the image will be -1. Means 0 से छोटे नंबर्स पे इमेज कितनी होगी? -1 होगी. तो -2 की इमेज -1, -1 की इमेज -1. क्लियर? क्या देख रहे हैं हम यहाँ पर कि सारे एलिमेंट्स की इमेजेस इन तीन नंबर्स पे बन रही है, -1, 0 और 1. कोडोमेन के सभी एलिमेंट्स की इमेज केवल कितने नंबर्स पर बन रही है? 3 नंबर्स पर, -1, 0 and 1. But according to definition, every element of the codomain has its pre-image in its domain. So see, -2 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, which are not occupied. Means we can say that there are so many numbers which are not having the pre-images in its domain. So this function is not onto. Clear? So how can we write it? Now the value of this function is only 1, 0 and -1. Clear? So except 1, 0 and -1, no other element in codomain has its pre-image in its domain. So f is not onto. Clear? What we will write? Now the value of this function is only 1, 0 and -1. So except 1, 0 and -1, केवल इन तीन एलिमेंट्स के अलावा no other element in codomain में किसी भी दूसरे एलिमेंट की has its pre-image in its domain. यानी 1, 0, -1 के अलावा किसी भी एलिमेंट्स की कोडोमेन के प्री इमेज नहीं है, किसके अंदर, डोमेन के अंदर. सो वी कैन राइट नाउ द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस फंक्शन इज ओनली 1 0 -1. So except 1 0 and -1, no other element in codomain has its pre-image in its domain. So this f is not onto. Understood? So signum function is neither 1 1 nor onto. Clear? So students, pause the video and note it fast. Now students, question number 6 is this. Let A equals to 1 2 3. A set is given. Elements of set A are 1 2 3 and elements of set B are 4 5 6 7, and let f equals to 1 4 2 5 3 6 be a function from A to B. Show that f is 1 1. Two sets are given and function is given, and we have to check this function is 1 1 or not. Clear? So simple question is this. Given function is f from A to B, defined by f equals to 1 4 2 5 and 3 6. Clear? We have to check this function is 1 1. We have to show this function is 1 1. So see here, यहां से क्या क्लियर है कि the image of 1 is 4. The image of 1 is 4. That means f1 equals to what? 4. The image of 1 equals to 4, and the image of 2 is 5. Means f2 equals to 5. Similarly, the image of 3 is 6, means f3 equals to 6. Clear? So see, the definition of 1 1 is every element of the domain has unique image in codomain. So every element of A. So what are the elements of A? 1 2 and 3. Only 3 elements. So see, 1 की इमेज 4 पर, 2 की इमेज 5 पर, 3 की इमेज 6 पर. So कोई भी ऐसा एलिमेंट नहीं है जिसकी इमेज कैसी बन रही हो, सेम बन रही हो. Clear? So here all distinct elements of set A having distinct images in its codomain. Clear? So this function is 1 1. So we have to write here, clear that no distinct element of A has same image in B. A is domain and B is codomain. Because this is domain, this is codomain. So what we have to write here, clear that no distinct element, कोई भी दो अलग अलग एलिमेंट ऐसे नहीं है किसमें, A में, जिनकी सेम इमेज हो किसमें, B में, B यानी कोडोमेन में. So we have to write here, clear that no distinct element of A has same image in B. So f is 1 1. So f is 1 1. Clear? Now students, I want to modify this question. Show that f is 1 1 and it is not onto. Now we will have to check this function is not onto. So see, the image of 1 is 4, the image of 2 is 5, the image of 3 is 6. So see, if I am drawing the mapping here, this is set A or this is set B. In set A there are 3 elements, 1 2 and 3, or in set B there are 4 elements, 4 5 6 7. Clear? We will have to check this function will be onto or not. So see, the image of 1 is 4. So the image of 1 is 4. The image of 2 is 5. The image of 2 is 5. The image of 3 is 6. The image of 3 is 6. Now tell me, this function will be onto or not? Tell. Yes, you are thinking correctly. Here 7 is the element which is not occupied. 7 is not related to A. 7 A से relate नहीं कर रहा है. That means, or what is the definition of onto function? Every element of the domain has pre-images in domain. So here 7 is the element which is not having its pre-image in its domain. That means this function is not onto. Clear? So now you can find out which function is 1 1 or which function is onto. Good. So students, note it fast. Pause the video and note it fast. Okay students, now I am thinking you are able to identify the given function is 1 1 or not or onto. Am I right? Good. So the remaining questions you have to try. Clear? If you are having any doubt, then you can contact me. I will definitely help you. Okay? So this is the time for winding the video. We will meet again very soon in the next video with some new topics. Till that time, stay at home, be safe. Thank you.